Daniel will put all our participants on mute, but later in the program, we have a session where after the video, we will request one or two of you to speak for a minute on Joy, since all of you must have known him personally. So we'll then unmute the relevant speaker. As of now, it's 6:05. We are here to we are assembled here to remember our friend Joy Mukherjee, and we be ready with the recital by Shayan Mukherjee. And I'm sure the session is being recorded. So start the piano. Thank you. This is a piano recital by Shayan Mukherjee.
Shayan, that was so beautiful.
Thank you, Shah. We are here, assembled here to remember Joy Mukherjee, somebody with whom I have spent almost all my childhood and who was distinguished by two qualities. The first quality, of course, was impeccable taste in everything, whether it was food or alcohol or friendship or clothes. Even if you have not seen Joy Mukherjee in mustard yellow trousers, and of course in art. And greatest of all, in his choice of a companion for life in his beautiful, wonderful wife Damayanti. Joy Mukherjee was a man of impeccable taste. The other great lesson I learned from him is that in life, quality should have more weightage than quantity. How you live life, enjoying yourself, giving joy and support and happiness to others is more important than living on and on and on. Every moment lived should not be an existence. This is my simple tribute to Joy, and words fail me beyond this point, and I'll request Munmun to take over. Shagota Bose, the wonderful artist, friend, and confidant who has put together this wonderful space. Shagota, may I request you to say a few words?
Thank you so much.
Louder.
Thank you very much, Koti. A very good evening to my chief guest, Damayanti Mukherjee, daughters, Mr. Ronabir Mukherjee, I don't know whether he's here. Dear friends of Joy Mukherjee, I won't be able to personally say your names because I don't know you personally. Mr. Pradeep Guptu and Shorbani Guptu, Mr. Shayan Mukherjee and Orpita Mukherjee, I hope she's feeling better. And all his friends who are present here tonight, my guests, some of them I had later on. So I'll just go ahead and mention their names. Mr. Gautam Ghosh, Mr. Vasim Kapoor, Mr. Shubhrata Gangapathay, Mr. Tarak Gorai, Mr. Debabrata Chakraborty, he's here. Thank you so much. And Mr. Prashant Daw, Mr. Swapan Malik, Mr. Siddharth Tagore, Mr. Dhiman Das, Mr. Amit Roy, my dear friends and family members, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, I artist Swagatam, the warm welcome to all of you, my dear friends and family of Joydeep Mukherjee, and thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules to be present to pay tribute to our very dear friend on the inaugural event of the ceremonial opening of my atelier and gallery of art, Garden of Joy, which I have dedicated to the memory of my dear friend Joydeep Mukherjee, who chose to define his life's journey with a magnanimous, joyous, and ever-giving, larger-than-life heart and spirit and joy amongst us all. We are truly blessed to have known him in his lifetime, and today I'm sure he's there in spirit to cheer us like he always does, and we choose to celebrate his spirit with a laugh and a smile, even though our hearts are breaking. My association with Joy was brief but fulfilling, and his love for art was the string that brought us together. What surprised me was his curiosity and deep form and perspective, and he would not tire of inspecting every detail of a painting till he made up his mind. And in my case, he gave 9 paintings the coveted wall space in his beloved home with a laugh and a thank you S. He gave immense value to my style of works, encouraged and complimented them. And today, it is in that spirit that I dedicate my gallery space to his ever joyous spirit. I say thank you, Joy, and wish you all the rainbow colors of the palette, happiness, mirth, and more. And may you soar to greater heights in the gardens of stars and galaxies and continue to bless us. Thank you.
Thank you, Shagota, for those few words. And may I request all of you to join us now in lighting a candle in memory of our beloved Joy Mukherjee. And I'll request Shubhashish to please, Kalaiter is already here. So, and also I have requested all of you to keep a toast ready to raise in honor of our friend.
Please come.
So we will.
Sanjay, please come.
Yes,
One of
Sanjay
you
and Shubhashish.
come here.
Why don't you light the candle with us, Shubhashish? And then we'll pour a glass of wine. Shagata, you should do the honor.
We welcome all of you to light candles, please.
And Shubhashish, will you just come and join us here? Without Shubhashish's help, this program would not have been possible. And he's going to perform the very important task of helping us pour the wine. Shubhashish, you do it.
I thought I started. So this glass, tall glass is for joy.
That's it. And may I also call Daniel to join us here? Daniel, please come. You're very young and handsome. Doesn't matter, young man.
Please come. Daniel's been helping me with.
Daniel's the live wire who's put everything together. We are very grateful to him.
Please.
Shagota, gentlemen, please pick up your glasses as a toast. Yes, I'll pick mine up. Daniel, can I pass you the glass? Yes. Friends that anybody could have, and a wonderful, wonderful human being with a great taste in art.
So this is Joy's glass. So we all toast to him.
Yes, we toast to him as well. Sanjay, please. These things happen, inevitable, but don't worry.
Cheers.
So here's to joy. Yes,
Cheers to joy.
Yes.
at the Garden of Joy, and I thank Shagota for putting this together.
Thank you so much.
Is anybody there? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shubhashish. And we need to put the fan on. You could join us. Damayanti, we need to hear from you now. So I hope your internet is working fine. May I request you to say a word, Damayanti?
So that's what I was saying, that thank you all of y'all for coming here. And like I always feel, I don't take joy in the past tense. He's right now here with all of us and very much there enjoying the acting. He must be dancing, that, you know, and feeling so proud of what we've done and that you've dedicated this gallery or the atelier to him. He was a connoisseur of art. He had has an eye for art. And be it big names, budding artists, whatever, anything beautiful just caught his eye. And he would just sit and gaze and deduce. I mean, he used to tell me, these are all my girlfriends on the wall. And I just sit in a corner and I watch them all the time. So that was, he enjoyed his art really. And thank you so much for doing this in this difficult time, Shagota, that we feel so happy and joyous. You know, it's such a happy moment in this otherwise such difficult times for me, Disha and Diva and my family. Thank you so much, Shagota. And Shayon, that was a beautiful piece, brought tears to my eyes, Shayon.
Thank you.
I mean, you are a multifaceted guy, seriously. Really, you are just too good.
Embarrassing.
Anyway, thank you so much, really. Thank you.
We'll now have a song presented by Sharvani Gupta. So you okay, or you can unmute. You unmute.
ওই যে সুদূর নিহারিতে আছে আকাশের নীল, ওই যারা দিন রাত্রি আলো হাতে চলিয়াছে আধারের যাত্রী, গ্রহ তারা রবি, তুমি কি তাদের মতো সত্য নও? হায় ছবি, তুমি কি কেবলি ছবি? নয়ন সম্মুখে তুমি নাই, নয়নের মাঝখানে নিয়েছো যে ঠাই, নয়ন সম্মুখে তুমি নাই, নয়নের মাঝখানে নিয়েছো যে ঠাই, শ্যামলে শ্যামল তুমি নীলিমাই নীল, আমারও নিখিল তোমাতে পেয়েছে তার অন্তরে রমি, নাহি জানে কেহ নাহি জানে, তব সুর বাজে মোর গানে, কবির অন্তরে তুমি কবি ন ছবি ন শুধু ছবি, তুমি কি কেবলি ছবি।
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sorry. We now have a short video on the Garden of Joy. This is a recorded video, so it's a sort of a walkthrough to this beautiful space.
Good evening, dear friends. And it is with great pleasure that I welcome you to take a virtual tour with me of my atelier and gallery of art, Garden of Joy, which I have dedicated to my dear friend Joydeep Mukherjee. Joy came here for my exhibition, Come and Have Tea with Me, and he wrote on the canvas, Dearest S, thank you for the beauty, and signed it. is located at 3A Ashoka Road, Alipur, Kolkata 27. Thank you very much for your time given.
I'll request Jyoti to unmute herself, and she would like to say a few words about joy. So Jyoti, over to you. Can you just unmute yourself, and we'd love to hear you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Shagota, that was wonderful. That was a great view of your studio. Shobai, I mean, all of you know Joy too well, so I'm not going to repeat the same things that many of you have already said and believe and know. What I wanted to mention is Joy, actually, I cannot say Joy. Joy and Momni আমাদের হাত ধরে downtown Miami-তে bar scene introduce করেছিল. So we were absolutely novices. And here is a person who would actually hold our hands, literally. He said, "Cho toder bhalo jayga niye jai." And I think we came of age with Joy and Momni. And I mean, I can never say anything about Joy without not adding Momni to it. So, well, sorry, it's still Momni. I mean, Damayanti is Momni to us. So I find it a bit difficult to say Damayanti. It's still Momni. We had this similar kind of a Zoom call with many of our friends back in Miami. We don't live in Miami anymore. We live in Australia, Sydney. And the sentiments expressed were pretty much what I'm saying now. He was absolutely the leader in anything that was to do with fun, frolic, or any kind of a party. But he was also a leader when it came to anything serious. He would always have a way to solve a very difficult riddle. Sometimes it used to be a social issue, and he would always have a very, very amicable middle of the road solution. So hats off to that guy. That fellow is just, I mean, Joy's, I don't know how to describe him. He's energy. He's an enigma. He's an energy, uncontainable. The only regret I have is we couldn't host him in Sydney, and I would have so much loved to show off to Joy that Shikeji's, I've come of age. I can take you around Sydney and take you to pubs that you'd really love.
We'll do that. We'll take Joy around Sydney.
So maybe
girls and Momni all and
Yeah.
everybody together. Yes.
So yeah, the D's, when the D's come, probably we'll do that. And,
We'll invite Joy.
and believe you me, Joy, I won't let you down. You've been a great tutor to us. I won't let you down. So to you, Joy. And thank you everyone for inviting us. Thank you everyone for letting us share our thoughts and sentiments. Over to you, back to you.
Thank you, Jyoti. It was really wonderful. Yes. Damayanti, you've sent us a very kind message on the chat box. This is the least we could do. We loved our friend very much. He was a wonderful, wonderful friend, and he had a wonderful, wonderful companion and spouse in you. And we miss you a great deal. I'm sure when normal times return, we'll meet in person. And I remember the first time I met Disha, we were meeting at a friend of ours called Jishnu Shaha. And Disha actually came along to see, because she didn't believe that her father had any friends. Your father had a lot of friends, a lot of friends. We'd be, people would give their heart out to have so many friends, the number of friends he had. So Disha, may I bully you a little like your uncle and request you to say a few words? Disha, if you're there, you're the only person I can bully here. See?
Hi.
So
Yes,
use the
you
top
can
of
bully me
Please
anytime.
unmute yourself, Disha.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
yes.
Great. Yes, you can bully me anytime. Diva's also here. Maybe we can
You're very
urge her
kind.
to share a few words. Um, this has definitely been very emotionally charged because art was so important to him. But thank you so much for doing this. Every day is a reminder for us of the kind of person that Joyba was. And even though he's not here physically, so there is that vacuum for sure. But every good thing that happens is a reminder to us that he is our guardian angel and he is just sort of always with us, no matter what. And he would have loved this studio. He would have absolutely loved it. And as
So
you
much,
said,
Isha.
I totally take after him in the sense he loves being in the center of attention, as do I. So I can completely imagine how he must be feeling right now. All of us together around the world with our drinks, our candles, just sort of sitting together and thinking of him. He would have loved it. So thank you so much for having this. Please let's continue to do these intermittently. I know Joyba's birthday is also coming up soon, so I'm sure we'll do something then. But it's just really nice for all of us, I'm sure, to sort of, take an hour or two here and there to sort of just think of him. And also, since this evening is about art, let me just say something. As we know, he was an avid collector of art. There's not one empty spot in Laburnum or Lake Road. There are literally paintings on the ground and prints from, by the way, may I just say, from when he and Mama lived in Cologne in Germany. We just dug up some prints that are neatly rolled up and kept. Okay, so we're snatching those to print and get framed. But I actually just bought my first piece of art the other day. It's from
Wonderful.
an unknown,
Congratulations.
up and coming, person on Instagram, and it features like this beautiful young girl, living her best life. And I mean, I did it like very naturally, but in hindsight, I was like, this is crazy. This is exactly what Joyba would have done. He would have absolutely loved
True.
me doing this. So, I'd like to believe that in many ways he's guiding us, what we do, what we think, what we feel, etc. So, yeah, cheers to him always.
Cheers
And
to him.
thank you so much.
Cheers to him. Okay. Now, if the two Ds have spoken, can D3 not speak? You must speak, 3D.
Okay, that's me. Yes, of course. Again, I just want to echo what everyone has said. Thank you so much for.
Could you speak up a little?
Oh,
Could
sorry.
you speak up a little?
Is this okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah, this is okay.
Okay. Yeah, once again, just thank you so much to everyone for being here. And also, this is such a beautiful artist gallery space. Like, I really think Joyba would have
you.
loved this so much. Like, not just an evening of everyone talking about how wonderful he is, but also to have his creative legacy kind of immortalized in this space. And I think we're obviously, everyone who knows him is very lucky that any sort of creative pursuit or engagement, we have him kind of watching over us. I think I'm forever grateful for the kind of sight that he's given me and how he's encouraged me to think about art, and not just visual art, but also the music that we've listened to this evening, which was absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I just want to echo again, like, how we will be remembering him, not just through these very wonderful gatherings, but every time we have a drink, we'll always be thinking he would approve. Every time we maybe look at some art, we'll be like, what would Joyba think? And I think his encouragement and his spirit is something that we will keep alive. And I'm very grateful to have everyone here to share doing that. So yeah, that's it.
And we'll wait for the day when you start buying art.
Oh,
That will be the day.
still updated, don't worry.
We are, I think, a little out of time now, so I'll go straight to the phone. Is that all right, Shabata?
Is there anybody else like to say something?
I can't see anybody else in the chat box would like to say anything. Am I missing out on anybody?
But I would like to thank both Diva and Disha. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
us.
Hey, Pradeep, my dad would want to say
He would
a
have
small
loved this.
funny incident.
He would have
My
loved this.
dad would just relate a small incident which happened. I'm not sure what, but I
Yes,
told him to
yes.
hurry up. Bolo, 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 bolo.
Please speak.
জয়ের সাথে বহু বেরিয়েছি বিভিন্ন দেশে একটা বহু ইনসিডেন্ট আছে একটা ইনসিডেন্ট খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং, সেটা বলছি। 23 বছর, about 28 years back, সেন্ট পিটার্সবার্গে আমরা 4 জন বেড়াতে গেছি। দিশা তখন হার্ডলি 2 বছর। আমরা উঠেছি গ্র্যান্ড ইউরোপিয়া হোটেলে, সেখানে উইকেন্ড প্লাস 1 এক্সট্রা ডে। সকালে ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে গেছি, কি এলাহি কাণ্ড! জারের আমলের তৈরি হোটেল বিল্ডিং, ভেতরটা যে কি সুন্দর, কি এলিগেন্ট, না দেখলে বোঝা যায় না। আমরা খাচ্ছি, এরকম সময় দিকে আরেকজন ভদ্রলোক স্যুট টাই পরে ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে, তদারকি করছেন। আমরা বাংলায় কথা বলছি, আমরা 4 জন। উনি পাশ কাটিয়ে চলে গেলেন, আর দিশা তো এই টেবিল থেকে ওই টেবিল, মানে ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে। পরদিন আমরা যখন ব্রেকফাস্ট করছি, দেখি একটা ক্রিস্টাল বাউল করে একটা সাদা ন্যাপকিনে ঢাকা একটা ডিশ নিয়ে এলো একটা বেয়ারার। উপরে লেখা উইথ কমপ্লিমেন্টস। খুলে দেখছি ভেতরে রয়েছে, ক্যান ইউ বিলিভ, মোরলি মাছের ভাজা, আরেকটা কার্ড উইথ কমপ্লিমেন্টস ফ্রম Joydeep Mukherjee, General Manager. There is another Joydeep Mukherjee who happened to be the General Manager of the hotel. দূর থেকে একটা ভি সাইন দেখালেন, বাস। And that is the time when I met, we saw 2 Joydeep in the same frame. What an experience. Thank you. তোমাদেরকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এই সুন্দর একটা শো অ্যারেঞ্জ করার জন্য। আমাদের সময় তো এসব তো ভাবাও যেত না, কি বলবো। I am especially Joy's Garden. Joy's Garden is, কি বলবো, কোনো ভাষা নেই ওটা বলার জন্য।
Thank you.
আমি এখন এই মেয়েদের সাথে দিল্লি যাচ্ছি, কদিন থাকবো ওখানে, মেয়ে নাতিদের সাথে আর কি। আমরা কলকাতায় থাকি, ডোভার লেনে থাকি। অনেক ধন্যবাদ, অনেক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। ভালো থেকো।
Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ। আপনারা যে আমাদের সঙ্গে আছেন, এটা আমাদের কাছে খুব বড় কথা। আর স্বাগতা প্রচন্ড খেটেছে জায়গাটা তৈরি করবার জন্য। এই খাটুনিটাই মনে হতো কোনো ব্যর্থ হয়ে গেল যদি আপনারা না আসতেন।
না সেজন্য নয়, কারণ জয় নিজেই মানে he has been so kind. I must say, আমার ছবি দেখতো অনেকক্ষণ ধরে, সময় কাটাতো ছবির সাথে। An artist needs that, মানে for an artist, the patrons are like God. So আমার জন্য joy was like that. Joy was something beyond just a just a person. তাই জন্য সেই যে একটা sentiment থেকে when I heard that of this, I knew that this gallery had to be dedicated to him. একটা জায়গা আমি তৈরি করছিলামই, but he just, it just had to be the Garden of Joy. So there was no question.
Thank you, Shagota. We'll just conclude with a small poem recital in English and Bangla by Sharbani Guptu, followed, and then Shagota will wind up the proceedings. So, Sharbani, will you please unmute yourself and give us the poem dedicated to Joy?
Grief exists, so does death. The smoldering pain of parting strikes hard, but still there is peace, there is happiness. The eternal's watchful gaze. Life flows in an everlasting stream. The sun, moon, and stars laugh in unison. Spring comes to the garden in its ever-changing garb. Waves dissolve into other waves incessantly. A flower withers away and a new bud awakens. There is no destruction, no end, not even a trace of wretched misery. My heart prays for a place at the feet of that absolute perfection. Ache dukkho, ache mrityu, biroho dahono lage, tobuo shanti, tobu anondo, tobu anonto jage, tobu prano nityo dhara হাসে সূর্য চন্দ্র তারা, বসন্ত নিকুঞ্জে আসে বিচিত্র রাগে। তরঙ্গ মিলায়ে যায় তরঙ্গ উঠে, কুসুম ঝরিয়া পড়ে কুসুম ফুটে। নাহি ক্ষয় নাহি শেষ, নাহি নাহি দৈন্য লেশ, সেই পূর্ণতার পায় মনস্থান মাগে।
Thank you.
Thank you.
An immortal poem devoted to an immortal memory who he will live forever in our minds. Now, before Shagota winds up with a little thank you note, may I remind all of you, once this is over, please go and have a second drink in Joy's honor. That's the least you can do. Have a second drink. I absolutely insist. Shagota, over to you.
Well, this brings us this ceremony to its very end. And I would like to present my vote of thanks to Pradeep Guptu, Shahin Mukherjee, Daniel Johns, Sharwani Guptu, and Shubhashish Bose for their relentless efforts to facilitate the presentation of this webinar. I am absolutely useless at this. Let me announce it in public. And virtual tribute and opening ceremony of the Garden of Joy. My thanks to Damayanti Mukherjee and family and friends of Joy for engaging your time in participation. And I invite you to please visit the garden physically in better times. Please take care and thank you very, very much.
Thank you and goodbye.
And the evening continues.
Yes.
Please continue with your drinks.
Yeah, but not if you're driving. Okay? Only if you're
Thank you so much, Shagota. Thank you all.
Yes, everyone.
Cheers.
Thank you.
This was wonderful.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so very much, everyone.
Thank you. It was beautifully put together. Thank you.
I'll talk to you again.
Bye, Auntie. Bye, everyone. Nice to see you.
God, bye bye.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye.
We will come when we're in Kolkata, for sure.
Please come.
We will.
Joy would love that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
Damayanti. See you.
Bye. Thank you.